Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video is a grocery haul and clean with me. I'll be taking you guys along as I restock the fridge and pantry and also give you some cleaning motivation. So do not forget that you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can watch now and get the motivation for later. Either way, let's get to cleaning.
They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time?
So instead of showing you guys everything that I purchased, I'm only going to show you the new items. I got mini ice cream bars, vanilla ice cream bars, tropical popsicles, peanut butter and jelly, double chocolate, peanut butter and chocolate, powerful bites for my husband. He is on a keto diet. Gluten-free waffles for Carter. Loaded potato sticks. I have not tried these, but I want to try them. Gluten-free corn dogs. Chicken egg rolls. I also got some gluten-free bagels for Carter. Some chicken tamales for Tristan. I got frozen vegetable mix and some sweet potato fries.
Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger.
I picked up some Apple Jacks, granola bars, honey graham crackers. They are gluten-free for Carter. Iced animal cookies. These are a childhood snack of mine. And I also got some Boathouse Farm juice for Carter, green goodness, and daily greens.
No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
Now that we are done with the grocery haul, it is time to start organizing the pantry.
No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah, yeah. Know what I got, know what I want. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time.
Before we get too far in the video, I wanted to welcome all of the new people here. If this is your first time clicking on my video, I would like to thank you so much for spending some time with me today. And I would also like to introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I am a graphic web designer, boy mom, and also a military wife. And on my channel, you will find cleaning, organization, and also some home decor inspiration. If this is something that you would enjoy, I would love for you to subscribe to become a part of my YouTube family. Also, once you have done that, comment below to introduce yourself.
Tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. If I might say, you light up my day so bright. You show me your way, and I'm no match for you. No, I'm no match for you. Ooh, I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't
Every grocery haul and clean with me, I know you guys see me rearranging the pantry, and that's because I haven't quite found a system that works for me and my family, so I'm always tweaking it when I reorganize it.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Jump on my roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy, but it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave the ground. Get in the fast lane, baby, you can make it. I promise I'll be there all the way. And if you get a little broken down, all that you gotta do is keep your head high. Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours. Come and get it, 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 come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm all yours.
Want it easy, want it badly, but I can get what I want.
Now that the pantry is all organized, it is time to organize the fridge. You guys know that these are my favorite videos to record because organizing is just so soothing and so satisfying. If you would like to check out all of my other grocery haul and clean with me videos, I will link them down below in the playlist.
I'm waiting, 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 waiting. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. If you love something, let it go. It's hard to do and it hurts to say, but if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go. No, I don't mind you asking why I let it go. It's just way too much for my hobby, so I'm laying low. Yes, I could rethink what I'm thinking if I had control, but I don't, so don't you be asking why I love you so. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all, 'cause I've been trying, I've been waiting for so long. I'm waiting, 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 waiting.
my previous videos, I got a lot of questions about the containers that I use, and I will link everything down below for you guys to find it. But the most asked question was my juice containers. Those containers are from Target. I will have that link down below also.
I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day.
In this area in my fridge, I put the menu for the week. So everything we're going to eat goes in this section. And I wanted to share our menu this week for you guys. Sunday was cabbage skillet. It is a recipe that I found on Pinterest, and I will link it down below. Monday, homemade mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, baked chicken, cornbread, and broccoli. Tuesday, steak bites and potatoes and broccoli. Wednesday, marry me chicken with pasta and rolls. Thursday, Brunswick stew or vegetable soup if you're not from the South. And Friday, breakfast.
For me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. Na 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 you see, what you do to me. I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. Na 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 na. Drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. You make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. But then you put doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more.
This grocery haul and clean with me was broken up into 2 days. On day 1, you guys saw that I organized the fridge and also the pantry. And on day 2, I'm focusing on cleaning the kitchen. I will be doing a semi-deep clean by wiping down all of the cabinets and also the vent hood.
I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Oh, spend a little time. I need your time. Spend a little time, yeah. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. Long as you spend a little time. I just want your time. I just want your time. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance. Nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care.
If you have made it this far in the video, it lets me know that you are enjoying it. So why not hit that like button and subscribe if you have not already. Also, drop me some black heart emojis down below in the comment section.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
not be cleaning my dining room in this video, and that's because I'm working on that huge transformation for you guys. I have 2 more projects to complete and then I will be done. I cannot wait to share it with you all. Also, if you have not checked out my Christmas clean and decorate with me, I will also link that down below for you guys to check out.
Got me high above, like the sun by the moon, he's a star. Baby, I'm lighting up, like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do.
I did not talk that much in this video because I talked a lot in the beginning, but I wanted to take this time to come and thank you guys so much for the support and love that you show my channel. I have been on YouTube for almost 2 years now. My anniversary is coming up pretty soon. And just to think that I didn't believe anyone wanted to watch my channel. That's why I didn't start YouTube so long ago. But seeing all of those meaningful comments that you guys leave and me knowing that I am helping you guys clean your house and to organize your house and to decorate your house, it means a lot to me. So thank you so much.
Keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do. My heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything. Look at me go. Oh, mad love, mad love, mad love. He got 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 mad love. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground. Keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound. Mad love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything. Look at me go. Oh, mad love, mad love, mad love. He got 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 mad love. Another broken plate. Another called off date, we never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul and clean with me, and it gave you some organization inspiration and also some cleaning motivation to tackle your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.
Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make